Hello again. In this bonus episode, we're going to see how to effectively browse the Android source tree and some tips on how you could you could better edit your code um, using editors like Vim or Emacs. So first, let's see how you can search your code base. So Android comes with a few aliases defined. So one of them is FCPP. So you can use this to uh, search for something in your code. Let's say I want to search, I want to search surface flinger. This I want to search the term surface flinger uh, in my build, and I want to search all the C++ files containing this. So you'll see that it shows a bunch of files. You can do the same thing for Java. Let's say I want to search for window manager. It it'll show me a bunch of stuff. So I can make that search as narrow as I want. Another tool is GoDir. So GoDir, uh, let's say I want to go to the directory containing this file, wallpaper manager test.java. So I just say GoDir wallpaper manager test.java. The first time it creates an index of all of the files. So the first time it might take a while. And now you see that it has changed directory to this location. I can do go dir some other file. Let's try surface flinger again. So you can see it is in the surface flinger directory. Next, next let's see some tools to search the code even better. So we have this website Android Xref, which is basically an open grok index of the Android source tree. It has different tags hosted over here. You can select the latest tag uh, to search the latest code. So again, you can select all, search for a symbol, or do a full search, and then it will search the index. Okay, looks like that was not the right term. Let's say I search for um, again, let's search for surface flinger. So you can see that it has searched for everything. Let's say everything containing surface flinger. Let's say I want to search for a file name. You can see that it has searched for the surface flinger file name, and then I can basically go in, navigate this file. I could select, I could basically, this is an outline of this file, or all of the functions in this file. I can see the history of it. uh, I can annotate this file. Basically, annotate is basically just a git blame of this file. um, yeah, so this is a pretty useful tool, to understand your source code, and you don't have to do anything. It's all online on this site, androidxref.com. Next, we'll see a way to do your code completion. So let's say you're editing a file. Again, so let's try surface flinger.cpp. So so we have a pretty I'm editing this in Vim. So there's a very good extension for Vim called you complete me, and what that does is uh, it does a CLang compilation of your file, and it allows you to basically complete the code the way semantically, basically. So it allows you to complete do a semantic completion of your code. So uh, let's say I go here. So I see a member variable called m-event-u. So as you can see, it shows up all of the member variables in this function, in this class. So now I do m-event-q. Now I do m-event-q dot. So what this does is it does a semantic completion of m-event-q. So basically, these are all the member variables and functions of the m-event-q class. So it's a pretty useful tool, and basically it gives you proper IntelliSense uh, like completion. So uh, uh, yeah, you can use Vim, or you can even use Emacs to do this. And basically, I have this documented on this website. So I have this. You can refer to. You can search for this online, and you should see basic. You'll see the method. You'll see the steps you need to complete. Set this up for yourself. Uh, it's a little complicated, but once you set it up, it's and if you use the Vim or Emacs editor regularly, it once you set it up, it should be easy to use every time. So those are a few tips. I hope you enjoyed this session, and please leave comments if there are any questions. Thank you.